Okay, we will start. This is end of day 68. We will start in the back. We poured the rest of this concrete right there and right there. So that is finished, which is good. But now, looky here. Look what we got. We got the bases in. We got the racks in. It is time to go. So everything is drilled in. Machines are coming today. We thought they were going to come yesterday, but I guess there's 2 trucks coming today, and then another truck coming tomorrow or Friday. So I got all these guys. They're going to be here until Saturday, maybe Sunday. But anyhow, we can kind of see what's going on here, guys. Let's start off with the small ones. I believe there's some 40s here, some 20s here. And I sure thought, oh yeah, here's some 40s, 60s, and then there's going to be an 80, and these are going to be 40s also. And then there's some more 20s, 2 more 20s. Okay, here's where we mess up, guys. Oops. We made the trench too long. I follow directions, so there you go. Future expansion, I guess, guys. So it's not the biggest deal. I think what I'm going to do is put concrete in. I have a little, right at that rack, have some concrete, or maybe a couple inches this way. Concrete. So stop the water, then I'll fill it up with sand, then I'll put like an inch or 2 of concrete in there so that if we ever need to, we could knock it out easily. Take out all the sand, and I got a trench for some expansion if I need it. But I don't know if I'm ever going to need it because I got this place maxed out. But you never know. But that gives us more room for folding. So there's a plus right there. So anyhow, we got 80, 80, 100, 80, and 80. Then over here we have 100, an 80, a couple 60s, and some 40s. And then over here we got 40s, 60s, and 40s. So these are the only doors right here, the back doors, where they're not going to come in and hit a big 100 or a big 80. I don't think that this door is going to be used as much. I mean, it's going to be used quite a bit. So, but anyhow, it won't be far away. So here's some more 60s. And then I got 80, 80, and 100. And then right here I have 100, 80, 80, or maybe I have the 100, 80, 80. I forget. I'd have to look at the forms. And then there's some 60s there. So it's a lot of pounds, guys. I still think it's funny when you get 20s. All these 20s, it's like, okay, you need 20s, guys. And then it's like, okay, where can we hide the 20s? So here we are trying to hide 20s. And I don't know. I think it's pointless. I really do. I know customers are going to love them. They're going to want them because they're cheap. $325, $350 or whatever it's going to be. But I don't know. I just think it's funny how these experts tell you you really need these 20s, and then it's like, where can we hide the 20s? So anyhow, we got what else we got going on here? We have not much work there done behind the dryers. We got the vent guy, the HVAC guy. He's going to be doing all the vents, so we got to cut some holes here soon. We got electric going in everywhere, which is good. We had to cut that door out because that was solid and that was the only way to get in. Not exactly sure what door we're going to get there, but it doesn't have to be pretty. We kind of messed up. We cut a little too high. We'll make it look nice with some wood or something. But yeah, otherwise we got some more plumbing in the bathrooms too. So we got all these pipes all fixed, these vent pipes, which is good. And then we got hot water and cold water. So this is all good. Things are coming along. It was really fun to see the electrician, the equipment guys, the plumbers, all in here working. That makes my heart full. So, trying to get everybody here. Even the HVAC guy was here. I had my cleaning supply guy here. I had the concrete guy here. Oh, here's my ATM too. That showed up. I got in-wall ATM. So, that is all good. And it just seems like it's getting more clean too. The more people are here, the cleaner it gets. Before, the more people were here, the dirtier it got. So, all right, guys, that's an update. Tomorrow should be a good update too. I think we're getting most of the dryers and the washers today. What did they say? Some 80s and 100s and a few dryers coming in the third truck. So it takes 3 trucks coming from Ripon, Wisconsin. So I looked, I think it was, I forget. It was over 20 hours. So that's a long drive in a semi truck. So anyhow, it just got direct shipped here, so it didn't have to go to Dallas and then here. So less taking those things out of the trucks, the better, in my opinion. So, oh yeah, here we go. We got them labeled. So let's see what they are. Oh, there's a 60, 260s, 40s, just like I thought. But now let's look at here. Yeah, we're gonna do an 80, 100, and an 80. We did that. We didn't put the 100s on the end because we wanted those 100s to stick out and have some. When they're at the end and you look down, they look the same size. So it's hard to tell the difference between those 100s and 80s. So why would anybody pay more if they can't tell the difference? I wish they made those 80s a little, or those 100s a little bit taller too. That way they could, I don't know, they just, to the customer's point of view, it would be justifying why they should pay $3 more or whatever. So anyhow, that's that. Day 68, guys. My attitude is a lot better. I was like, man, this thing might actually get done. We'll see ya.